I don't know if anyone can hear me or not, but I was in lost in a few seconds ago. Just entered this trade. I'm in loss right now, but I am live, so join, guys. Let's see what happens. We're in phase 2. Just entered this trade. I'm in loss right now, but I am live, so join, guys. Let's see what happens. We're in phase 2. Doesn't look great right now. Looks like shit, to be honest. Probably gonna get stop the fuck out on this. But yeah, man. Let's see what happens on this shit, bro. View your channel. One person watching. What is up? Hello, hello. Let's see what happens. We're in phase 2. Just entered this trade. I'm in loss right now, but I am live, so join, guys. Let's see what happens. We're in phase 2. Just entered this trade. I'm in loss right now, but I am live. Looking great right now. This shit's fire, but I'm gonna take a little bit of partials at the lows if they're taken out. So let's wait and see, bruh. Three people watching. What is up, everybody? How are you guys doing? It's pretty late for me. It's like 11:11 right now. What time is it there for you guys? Very small stop loss, 1.3 pips. Went up a lot of times. Could have gotten fucked. But again, mechanical strategy, so we're chilling. Um, let me fix this thing here. Text, remove. Text, remove. Text. Oh shit, okay. I removed the wrong text. Fuck it. This is the first trade on my phase 2, by the way. $100 was my commission on this, so that's one thing. I'm up to R right now. Text. I will write phase 2. Wait. 2 losses, 1 winner today during phase 1. Trading phase 2 right now. Yo. So this is what we're doing. Bro, I posted this shit on like fucking Instagram way back. It's still not fucking uploading. What the fuck? There's 2 people watching. Okay. That's still good. Wait, is my audio even there? Uh it is there. Okay. Yeah, my audio's there. Sorry. Excuse me. Why the fuck is my story not getting fucking uploaded, bruh? This is so annoying. Bro, my story is not being uploaded, bro. That's the problem. Easy. Easy shit. Gotta move my stop loss to here because it's late night and I don't know what the market's gonna do. So yeah, we're up 2R on our challenge right now. It's 1%. So that's fire. I don't usually take partials. Uh, wait, what happened with your message? What the fuck? Andy, what is up, man? I don't see your this one over trading in motion. Nah. This is the only trade, bro. I should have taken another trade, which is this one. I didn't take it, so it kind of pissed me off. I was at the gym. My zones were mechanical, so I was like, I'm gonna take this, but I didn't. So now I'm just trading mine. There's a very clean fair value gap on the 1 hour. So yeah, bro. Just taking that. You know what I'm saying? No over trading, bro. No over trading. I don't do that. All right. We're up 1.3%. I'll take a partial when we get here at this low. I'll take out 10 lots. 1-0. When one of these lows are taken. So, yo, how are you, Boesh? How are you, my brother? How you doing? I'm good, man. I passed the phase 1 today on the challenge. So, yeah, bro, just chilling and looking at the market and seeing what we can do here, you know? Jazz, no face cam. I'm gonna make you a mod, Jazz. That's I was like, expecting cinematic. Nothing cinematic right now, bruh. I'm gonna take a partial right now, guys. Just took a partial. I'm up 0.43. So whatever this does, I'll be happy with it. But yeah, I've trailed my stop loss, so whatever happens, I'm already up 0.5%. If it goes and hits my TP, that is a 10-hour trade. I mean, sorry, 11-hour, and that would be fire. This is the first trade on the challenge, by the way. Boom, here you go. Commission was $100 fucking. That's fucking wild. Yeah, man. That's the trade. I'm gonna do this. I wasn't expecting the price to go up until here. I still drew it for I'm not gonna share the reason, but yeah, guys. Like I said, if you tuned in during the other session, I said the price is gonna go up until here. Does this look like an order block? No, because this is not. This is a supply zone. I mix supply and demand zones with ICT on the smaller time frame. Higher time frame is always supply and demand because that's how the world works with banks and everything. So I do that. The price went into our zone and went down. So that was fire. So right now, as you can see, this high, SMT between your USD, because on your USD this high and this high was not taken out. So yeah, I didn't take a short on your USD, just GBP. So I got that. And also on GBP, we have this 1 hour fair value gap, which we don't have on Euro US. We actually have. What the hell? All right, yeah. So basically, this is already filled, guys. So which is why I'm trading. I'm waiting for the price on GBP to go and hit that shit. You know. But yeah, that's what I'm waiting for. That's where our stop loss is. Let me just mark my stop loss. How do you choose your zones? That is the secret, my brother. Damn, should I spill the I'll share a book, bro. I'll share a book. I'm gonna make a Discord and I'll share a book. If you read the book, you will know exactly what zones I'm using. Supply and demand type shit, you know? So yeah. You'll know exactly what I do. Yeah, sorry, my bad. I should show MetaTrader. Yeah. Also, we got 1 day. You know what I'm saying? Like on QT funded, now we got 1 day as a trading day. Can you find you can find a $4.99 a month? No, bro. No. We ain't doing that, bro. We ain't selling no mentorship yet. Alright. We're up pretty high. The balance is 0.4%. Yeah. Price is coming down now. Just like we expected. If the TP gets hit, that's gonna be like 2%. So that would be fire. By the way, guys, the guy, Jazz, in the chat is the guy who bought me all the trading courses I've ever watched. In my life, I've watched like 8, 9 courses. Out of that, I've bought only once. Rest of them were... He bought them for me, bro. He's my high school best friend. I mean, middle school. Yeah. Let me just write down why I took a partial. Partial because I own trade during this hour. Boom. Where did I take the partial? Let's find out. Exactly right here. So, boom. Partial. This is where I took the partial. 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 Yeah. There you go. Partial was right there. Stop. This was not taken out. So, again, if this is happening, if you joined during admitted piracy on live, bro, the VOD is not gonna stay up, bro. Don't worry about it. All right, we got 5 people watching. So what is up, everybody? How's it going? Welcome to the stream. Uh, yeah, if you joined in the previous stream, guys, simple. Like I'm not even fucking gonna gatekeep this shit, bro. It took me a while to figure this out, but every time I'm gonna have a continuation in trend, right? The price should take out one of the highs, and then it should continue going down, right? This is for continuation to the downside. Excuse me. I'm so sorry. If you want to see the price go up, you have these lows. The lows will be taken out, and then the price will continue to go up. As simple as that. So I'm assuming now, because this is a low that we're targeting, I'm assuming the price would go down from here. You know what I'm saying? So we have these fair value gaps. That shit was actually entirely filled. So I'm a little concerned. But okay, this is kind of concerning, but this is kind of concerning. Actually, you know what? Because I don't trade during this hours, I'll take out 10 lots. Fuck that. Better safe than sorry. Yup. Now I'll just wait. My trade is risk free, and we'll see what we do. Partials because I don't take that during this hour, so yup. I'll just mark out my partials as well. This is where my entry was. This is my first partial. This is my second partial. I will color this yellow. Boom. And it's all right. If we don't make profit, that's fine. We're saving our money, protecting our capital, so we're good. Boom. If the price wants to go down and give me profit, that's fire. I'm gonna move my stop loss right here. Because the reason why I brought my stop loss here is because of this. You see, we have an imbalance, right? If the price, the price, if it wanted to continue going down, the most ideal situation is for it to hit half of it and then continue going down. Right? Even on the 3-minute, all of it is filled up. So, which is why I'm skeptical, Also, I don't trade during this hours. Again, like I said, I trade during the toughest session, which is the London session. I'm used to tougher shit, not the easy ones. I'm just kidding. All right, beautiful. Price is trading down. So what I said here is what I was was talking about trend continuation. That should be playing out. Now I am happy here with my stop loss because of this. You see, this fair value gap is now entirely filled, right? So for me, I'm chilling, So that's fire. The price has gone down. Hell yeah. Stop loss is also trailed, so $140 in profit, and if the price goes and hits that, that's gonna be another 700. So when this goes and hits my TP, that's going to be like if that's 715, that's so like 1500 type shit. I don't know. Yeah. So yeah, guys, that's what's up. Are we up like hella? Nah. All right, guys. You guys have to give me like fucking 2 minutes because I have to go bring my. Basically, bro, we got a lot of fucking robbers and thieves out here, so I gotta like put my cycle back inside my house. So I'll be right back. What is up, everybody? I am back. I have to go talk to my girlfriend. No, bro, I called her many times. She did not answer my call. Uh, but yeah, this is moving towards a profit. Hell yeah, bro. Hell yeah. Okay, this is taken, so I'm gonna. I mean, I shouldn't be taking a partial again, but I'm just gonna play it safe, bro. I'm gonna take 2 lots out here. Boom. Because this low was just taken out, right? So this low was just taken out. The price will retrace back in, I guess. So took the partial here. We're up almost 1%. If this goes and hits 420, so I'll be up like 1.3%, give or take. So that's pretty good. Did family and friends pressure you into teaching them FX? Bro, they think it's gambling, bro. And I force my friends to learn trading because this is the best career ever, bro. So yeah, yeah, man. Like whenever people ask me to teach them shit, I'm like, sure, man, let me do that. And I think I've been teaching a lot of people for free for a very long time now. I'm getting really good at it, especially like dividing things into segments so it's easier to understand for people. And because of that, I think, all right, if this low is broken, then I'm going to move my, like this low. If this low is broken, I'm gonna move my stop loss above this. But if it's not, then no. Let's see, we got 11 seconds left, so this shit probably wants to go up now. Because not sure. Maybe the price on EU also wants to continue going down. We'll see. Yeah, the price is probably gonna go up. Okay, the high was taken. Let's see how this plays out. If not, I'm gonna get out of this trade. I don't want to get out with like fucking stupid $48. We're up like 200, so I'm basically like, it's if it's $84 and we're 200, like I'm basically risking $120, you know, with this. So 15 seconds. Okay, I'm out. All right, we're up 1% on the challenge until here. This low was taken, so I was not ready to get a give out all my shit, you know. So yeah, there you go. We are up. Bro, the one fucked up thing is going to be that like all these trades are gonna be like shown separately. That's kind of sad, but yeah. Um, I think we did great. So I see specific few things which told me that the price is gonna go up, and which is why I got out of the trade early. So yeah, guys. Or my stop loss would have been hey, you know. But yeah, that's it. If there's any questions, I would be more than happy to answer all of them. Yeah, man. Simple. Anything about trading, I'm here to help and clear doubts. This should show as one trading day. Well, it is what it is. We'll see that. We'll see what happens. But yeah, guys, we are up. We are up. Yeah, EU is going to go down one more time, and then it's going to continue going up. I know that for sure. I have a fair value gap here, a bullish one. So a bullish fair value gap, and then on the 1 minute, actually it could kind of go down because we have this. So, but I don't know, man. I'm out of the trade. So for bigger funded or live accounts, for beginner funded or live accounts, Vincenzo, is that, am I saying your name right? Welcome to the stream, bro. Uh it all depends, bro. I used to think, funded accounts are the best way. One of the people that I look up to, Mr. Jade Cap, he talks about it. He says it builds discipline and gives you rules and frameworks and shit to work around. But I think if you're disciplined from the very beginning and then you get a taste of freedom, you tend to go ape shit. Which is why I feel like if you go trade a small live account, not small, but like big enough that if you lose your money, that's gonna hurt you. I think Vincenzo, yes, that's right. Fire, bro, fire. Yeah, so if you have a personal account, in my opinion, and you trade with it, first of all, number one, you're gonna see a lot of you guys see profits, right? Like that you'll be able to take out. You'll be able to basically it's gonna give you a lot of dopamine. For me, like I traded funded accounts from the very beginning, and then I traded personal account, and I was like, shit, I'm so good at it. I guess like I'm just not disciplined for um, you know, funded accounts because during challenges I would always be like, yeah, I gotta pass this quickly so I can make money. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, man. So yeah, bro, I would say personal account, small personal account. Not financial advice though, so not financial advice. But yeah, guys, that's about it for this stream, I guess. It was a very short stream. If you go to the very beginning, I tried posting my fucking story so many times. I started streaming the moment I got into the trade, and I was negative, and then and then it went into positive. So, so yeah, guys. I just want to make it clear that I'm not a fake trader. Okay, I take trades and I show everything. And we are up 1.1% right now. I'm thinking of streaming every day, so if you guys wanna watch, let me know. Here you go. The problem is if I trade small accounts, I receive payouts, but for funded, it's like I'm going up and then going back to drawdown and then BE of 4, then drawdown. It's endless cycle on funded. I see. All right, Vincenzo, brother. I think, like, see, for me, right, like, I cannot tell you what your problem is from here, right, because I'm not you. You know yourself the best. You know exactly what you did. You know what I'm saying? The best way to do it, and trust me, I know everybody's like, it's so fucking simple, but is to sit down, take a piece of pen, and write. Ashwin, yes, 2022 mentorship is not enough, but it gives you a good framework. As in, like, you start to understand the market a little bit, and then you want to get deeper and deeper into it. So you don't really need to know core quant. That's too much. Just go and watch T trades. You're good. Go and watch T trades. Yes, Vincenzo. I was saying, Ashwin, watch this guy, and you'll be good. And Vincenzo, I was saying, so yeah. So you know yourself the best, right? How about you write down in points, right? Why you get small payouts on your personal account, and on your funded challenges, what is the difference in trading behavior that you have, like for which you're losing your, for which there's so much volatility. You know what I'm saying? if you write the difference down, actually, as a matter of fact, that is a great thing. Guys, I own this trading journal along with my friends. This is the best free trading journal that you can ever get. Let me show you what the homepage looks like. I've made it free for everybody, right? You can get started. Click here. If you want to sign in, sign in. Boom. This is all for free. And I'm gonna just show you this, right? This is going to help you understand your data and shit. So here, bro, every time you enter a trade, you can write your shit down. I mean, again, to know the difference, you cannot. This cannot help you, but you know, go and use your pen and paper and write down why you think you're fucking up. You know, I think if you do that, you're gonna be understand what you're doing wrong. Ashwin, I learned 2022 mentorship and I barely see any setups. What to do now? I am at break-even stage. Bro, break-even stage is much better than unprofitable. So the fact that you're at a break-even stage shows that you are good at managing risks, right? And that you have very high potential. So number one, things are not going to be stagnant. It's like, how do I let me show you this, right? This shit looks fucking disgusting, right? Like all this shit. And then if you have like a big fucking, or whatever the fuck that name was, bro, and then you go and see the building, it's fucking beautiful once it's done. So you know the journey's gonna be kind of disgusting. It's gonna be hard, you know. So you know, like I would say, like if you're finding it difficult, then be on YouTube, bro. Like, I mean, I'm not gonna offer my model because I spent a shit ton of time doing that shit. But what I can tell you is like you can trade T-Trade's model. You see, T-Trade's model. Go and check this out. You have 2-3 models. You trade that. See, I think right now, Ashwin, your goal should not be to make a lot of money. Your goal needs to be for you to experience the market as much as you can. For example, for me, right? I just got out of this trade right here, right? Because of a certain thing that I saw and the price just went shot the fuck up. You know what I'm saying? So I took profits and I got out. Why? Because I experienced the market a lot and now I understand and I see things. You know, like I can see things in a much clearer way. So like it's all because of experience. So I'm saying just try to experience the market as much as you can. Trade different models. Just explore, right? Do buy smaller challenges so that when you lose it hurts because you have to get numb to the pain, you know? So that's what I would recommend. If you're too scared and if you only trade demo, you're not going to make it. You have to lose money. So you have to ready to lose money. Be ready to lose money. Obviously, go all in like you want to pass now or never type shit, but then again, like you got to be ready, you know? Your trading journal link, I can get it from your IG, right? Yes, sir. You can get it from my Instagram and feel free to make the most out of it, bro. I want to make my own model so that further and take the experience. Absolutely, bro. You do. For me, example, I'll tell you the reason why I was able to take this trade. Reason why? Because a lot of times, you see, if it was me a few years ago, right? What do we have? We had. I'll give you free information. Maybe you can use this, right? Anybody. There's like 5 people watching, so you see this shit, right? The price comes down. What is this? Market structure shift. OTE, right? People would take a trade here and they want the price to continue going up, but that didn't happen. Most of the times, price would always do this and then come down and stop me out, right? I would go long here, stop loss here, and I'd get stopped out. And I started to wonder, if I'm getting stopped out, there must be a reason why the market's doing something fucked up that it shouldn't be doing, right? And then I was like, every time I would always enter when the market gives a market structure shift, right? This is that market structure shift. I would be like, oh yeah, let me enter. Every time I would enter a fucking trade, the guy that I learned from also taught me to do this. Fucking lost stupid fucking money, stupid mentorship. Boom, bap. That's what we expect. But what happens? Price takes us out and then price continues to go down. That's what I learned. If the price wants to continue going up, price is just gonna do this. You see? Boom. It's gonna come down until here and then the price is gonna continue going up, right? So I realized these moves happen. So that comes with experience, right? But you gotta be actively looking into your charts and trying to see what mistakes you're making. You know, so that's what you gotta do. I wanna make so I'm gonna go rewatch the new model, bro. To be honest, I'm not gonna lie. Watching can only get you a little ahead, but like you gotta get put your feet into the market and you gotta trade it, bro. You gotta trade it every day. But but yeah, guys, that's it. That's about it. Any more questions? Happy to answer. If not, then I can end the stream and I'll see you guys later. So I'll just wait for a few more minutes. If there's more questions, I'll answer them. Let's see what we got on EU right now. EU is going up. It'll come down again. I saw something here at this place. It'll come down. Probably not from here. Let's see on GU. Yeah. So on GU, the price could go down from here. Could. We're not sure because I don't trade Asian sessions, so I don't really know what the fuck is going on. But there's a chance the price will go into this and then continue going down. I could be wrong. So yeah. Bro, thank you for the guidance. Always here for everyone, bro. And you as well. So I got you, bro. I don't want anybody to feel helpless. You know what I'm saying? That's why we made the journal for free for everybody. Nobody has to pay for, tools that help you become profitable. It's like you losing more money for paying for subscriptions. All right, we're up. We're 25%. Almost there. We can do that in 4 days. Shit, my bad. Fuck that. But yeah, you can go watch T Trades. He's amazing. His model is fucking fire. I'm gonna learn that as well. I know him. Very humble guy. I love it. As in like, love it as in like how humble he is. Yeah. But yeah, guys, no more questions are coming in, so I will end the stream, man. All right, see you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. It's a short stream. I will see you guys tomorrow. Ciao.